Hi everyone, I'm Tabitha from Tabitha Explores, and I wanted to introduce my next video to you. I have posted one video giving you kind of a hint on what I've been doing for the last few months. Last December, I decided that, I started to think that, I was living a bit of a boring life and I love to travel, so I started thinking about and planning to get on the road again. I spent 5 years in my 30s doing cruise ships and I loved it, loved seeing the world. And now this time I kind of want to see a bit of North America and see what that does for me. So I decided to take you guys on for the ride, or along for the ride, and see if you like it as well. So I'm hoping that you will like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tabitha Explores, and watch the videos going forward. So I'm really into photography, so a lot of my videos, at least for the beginning here, are going to be kind of photo montages telling you where I've been, where I'm going, what I'm doing. And my first video is going to be kind of how I started the process. I ordered a truck back in July that I knew would haul a decent sized trailer. And then come October, I went to a dealership, picked out a trailer, ordered it, picked it up, and then started the process of, closing down my life in the Lower Mainland near Vancouver. And so I sold my condo, got everything that I didn't really want to get rid of into storage, and then started moving into this RV. So I'm in a Jayco 26 FK, which means front kitchen. It has a lot of storage space. I'm sure you're going to want to see a video of how that looks. There's a few pictures in this video so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm living in. I am definitely living comfortable. I'm very happy with what I'm doing, where I'm living, and where I've been so far. So please like and subscribe to my channel, Tabitha Explores, and enjoy the rest of this video. I hope that you'll come back for more.